Good morning. Today we are going to study problem of intersection of two solid prism. Let us see the problem. A problem of a vertical square prism is given. Problem is as follows. A vertical square prism base 50 mm side is completely penetrated by a horizontal square prism base 35 mm side so that their axes intersect. The axis of the horizontal prism is parallel to the VP, while the faces of both the prisms are equally inclined to the VP. Draw the projection of solids showing line of intersection. Assume suitable length of the prism. This is basically the problem of a square prism whose axes intersect at a right angle. Let us see the pictorial view of the given problem. This is a vertical square prism whose faces are equally inclined to VP, and this is a horizontal square prism. Both intersect at a right angle. Let us see the procedure for making. As we know, for every problem we have to draw the reference line. This shows the reference line is drawn with the help of a HB pencil. In the next step, we are going to draw the top view. As in the given problem, there are two solids, one is vertical and another is horizontal. So in every problem of intersection, we are going to draw firstly the vertical solid, then the horizontal solid. Here we have started to draw the top view of a vertical square prism whose faces are inclined at 45 degree. Here it is shown that how I have drawn the top view of the vertical square prism at an angle of 45 degree at a suitable distance from the reference line. In the next step, I have drawn the front view of the square prism with the help of top view. Here I have drawn the front view with the help of top view, and as in the problem the height of the prism is not given, so I have assumed the suitable height. You can also assume suitable height, any height, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, which is suitable for you. In the next step, we are going to draw this side view of this vertical square prism. One important thing I am going to tell you that in every problem of intersection, we have to draw the three view of both the solid, that is front view, top view and side view. In every problem, we have to draw this. I have drawn the side view with the help of front view and top view, this side view. Now, in the next step, we are going to draw the side view of the horizontal prism. One important thing you should also keep in mind that as the horizontal solid axis is perpendicular to the side view, so we are going to see the true shape of the horizontal prism in the side view. That is why we have started to draw the side view of the horizontal prism first, and its face are also inclined to the VP. So here it is I have drawn drawing at an angle of 45 degree here. This is shown the side view of the horizontal prism. In the next step, I have drawn the front view of the horizontal square prism with the help of side view. This is the front view of the horizontal square prism. It's drawn with the help of side view. That is, it is projected, and suitable length of the horizontal square prism is also assumed. This is the length we have to assume. In the next step, we are going to draw the top view. This is the top view of the horizontal square prism with the help of front view and the side view. This is the drawn. Now we are going to provide the naming of each and every corner of the side view of the horizontal square prism. Suitable naming that I have provided 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D, as it is going to intersect at two side of the vertical square prism, that is here and here. So double naming I have provided, and corresponding its top view is also named here 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D. Now with the help of front view and top view and side view of the horizontal square prism, we are going to find out the intersection point in the front view, that is here, with the help of line method. Line method basically tells that each and every corner from the front view is projected. That is, if I am going to project one point from side view, and from the top view the point where it intersect gives the point in the front view. That is, one is here, I have projected two from here and two from here, that is going to intersect here, it gives the point 2, that is here shown here, that is shown here 2, and 3 is also projected from side view and top view. Similarly, the same procedure is followed from on the left side also, that we have get point A, B, C, D. And one thing we have to, while joining the point, all the points of intersection should be kept that it is a problem of a square prism. So the points are joined with the help of a straight line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 is joined with the help of a straight line. Similarly, AB, BC and CD and DA is joined with the help of straight line. There, here it is shown with the help of bold pen, HB pencil. HB pencil it is joined here, and this is the how it's look after joining all. This is joined with the help of a straight line. This is, thus we obtain the intersection of the two square prism whose faces are equally inclined. Thank you. In the next lecture, we are going to study some more problem of intersection of solid